Did you know that it is possible to get more leads, clients, sales by writing articles? Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to teach you how to use articles to promote your online business. The answer to the question, can article marketing help my business? The answer is yes, because not only you will be able to publish your articles for free, but you can reach a specific audience that will be interested in your products and services. Sending your articles to directories. Article marketing will help your business from the first moment you submit the first one to the different article directories. Once your articles are approved on those sites, you will get many people to visit your website. This thanks to the resource box which these directories provide you at the end of the article you send. You can place the link to your website in this section of the article that is located at the end of the article. If the article has a great impact on any readers, they will be able to publish your article on their website, which will make your article have more exposure to other people without you having to do more work. When you submit articles to these directories, you must put keywords that will help your readers find your articles. These keywords also help search engines to index your articles. Create short reports and offer them for free. Another way to get people to see your website is to give your content in the form of what is known as short reports or ebooks. When readers read your reports, they will want to read much more of your content and therefore be interested in your business. Offer these reports for free in exchange for a subscription to your mailing list. Small, medium, and large corporations use article marketing. It really does not matter if you are writing articles for small, medium, or large businesses, since there are many ways to promote it. For example, if your article is written to promote a small restaurant, you should put something related to the location of the business in the title. The same is true for medium and large scale businesses. The key is to create a title that manages to capture the attention of the audience. They should feel that the title identifies with the information they are looking for. Article marketing and conventional print publications. Now, it is good to ask yourself the following. Is article marketing a better strategy than conventional print publications? The answer is yes, since people will find your article easily just by typing a few keywords. Print publication is somewhat difficult since you must search through many previous versions of newspapers and magazines to find the ads. Similarly, conventional publications are relevant only at the time they are written. The online form will remain active for many years. What should be taken into account is that it must be updated in case something new related to the specific article appears. Writing excellent articles. Article marketing is considered the new wave of promoting products today. Think about it. What better way to reach an audience than to generate content that is related to the product you sell? For example, if you have a product that treats diabetes, you can write an article to reach an audience that can benefit from it. A good title for an article could be How to Prevent the Increase in Sugar Levels. Increase the rankings of the search engines. The owners of the site use articles to increase the rankings in search engines, like Google. The more articles you have related to a keyword, the greater the chance of obtaining traffic through search engines. This is done not only to increase the visitors who see a website, but the advertisement that will be placed on the website. The more visitors you send to a website, the greater the chance that visitors will click on the ad, which will increase the revenue of the business. Be careful with the grammar and do not copy content. Lately, many poorly edited articles have been published. Articles with poor grammar. Similarly, there are many articles copied from other websites. When publishing articles, you should take this into account. Be sure to write articles with correct grammar and consistency. Similarly, for no reason should you copy articles from other sites. You must generate your own content since what people are looking for is the message that your brand offers, and that is something that only you can achieve. Similarly, copying articles will affect your rankings in the search engines. Your content will be marked as copied, which will make you penalized by the search engines. The important thing is that you generate quality content. That is why next I will provide you some tips on how to do it. Number 1, write as if you were talking to your readers. The best way to make your articles easily readable is to write them as if they were a conversation. Write your articles as if you were talking to your readers. In this way, the reader will be able to absorb a lot of essence of the article, managing to create a relationship with it. Number 2, use simpler words. Forget about using words that can only be found in the dictionary. Most of your readers will not be academics with an extensive vocabulary. By using simpler words, you can create a connection with your readers. In this way, you will achieve the goal that you set on the beginning. Inform your readers, turn them into potential customers, and promote your product. Number 3, write short articles. Keep in mind that you are not writing a novel. When using online content, you should make it short and concise. The reason for this is because internet readers have short attention span. They will not have time to read long articles. Try to get to the point when you write for the web. Your readers will appreciate it. After viewing this video, you should understand how to use articles to promote your online business. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? I would also like to know if you have had any experience using article marketing. Was it positive? Did you manage to increase your sales? Please comment on it. The only way to make this information productive to your business is by applying it right now. Put it in practice at this precise moment. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive some free information on how to use article marketing to promote your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell that is next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email the precise moment when I publish a new video, so you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you the best of luck using article marketing. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.